students. Today I'm going to show you how to participate in the general selection process. First, you need to access your portal at my.hofstra.edu. Then click on Menu, Student Services, Residence Life menu, finally General Selection Process. A screen will open up and will indicate that you're participating in the general selection process. Please be sure the process is for the academic term that you're applying for. You will see the room type you requested on your housing application listed here. In addition, if you requested to live with a particular roommate, that information will be listed here as well. If you no longer want this room type that you requested, you will need to exit out of the general selection process and go back into your housing application and update it. Below your room type requested, you will see a list of available sites. This will show you all the available sites which still have your room type remaining. You will then be able to view a live list of available rooms that match your preferences. Once you have selected your room, hit Submit. Please keep in mind you will no longer be able to change your preferences or participate in the general selection process for the upcoming year once you hit the Submit button. You will now receive a general selection process receipt, indicating that you have successfully assigned your room for yourself and your selected roommates for the upcoming academic year. In addition, your housing confirmation will be emailed to your Hofstra Pride account immediately upon selecting your room. Please be sure to check your Hofstra Pride account for your email.